This is a full breakdown analysis on how we caught a trade during our TikTok live and how we made a transformation from this to this. Don't forget, this is Tunde Thompson. Let me teach you on how to follow the trends from the higher time frame. This is USD card, and first thing I did is to identify my trend, which is an upward movement, and also we have an external liquidity, which is a buy side liquidity that the market is approaching already. I went to the 12-hour time frame to see if there is anything interesting, but I noticed that the lows are being respected and the highs are being taken out. So I went down to 1 hour time frame, then I marked out the New York Open, which is 8:30 once there is news. So I marked that out, and also I noticed that there is a previous day low, which can also serve as a liquidity to push the market up. The market is all about narrative. Once a liquidity has been taken out, either previous day low, previous day high, or equal low, equal high, or trend line liquidity, then the market tends to push aggressively up. After the previous day low has been taken out, then there is 1 hour fair value gap which is yet to form, but trust me, it's later formed. I went to the lower time frame to see if there was going to be any disrespect on the 1 hour fair value gap. Then we tap into the 1 hour fair value gap, then it seems as if it's going to respect it. And at the same time, after carrying the previous day low with the wick, then it gave us a 5-minute fair value gap. So we are stuck in between two fair value gaps now. So we don't have to react. We have to wait for the market to do its thing, then we are going to react. If the 1 hour fair value gap actually wants to hold, then you want to see a break in structure, and also inside the 5-minute fair value gap, you want to see a total disrespect. But in this case, we didn't see a total disrespect, but we saw an upward push in the market, breaking with the body and not with the wick, so which shows us that the 5-minute fair value gap actually wants to be respected, and this signifies that we can go on and buy. Our target is actually the previous day high, which is labeled as a buy side liquidity. Not just that, it is also an internal liquidity, so I moved my take profits to that place. Then I went back to the 1 minute time frame to enter at the current market price. I used to say the market is all about narrative. Which narrative did I use here? First of all, the daily time frame is actually bullish. We swept a liquidity, which is the previous day low, and again we respected a 5-minute fair value gap, so that is enough for a trade. I've come to the end of this video. Now I've done my part. Now it's time for you to help me do your part. Help me like, comment, and also share. Thank you so much.